Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. So in today's video, we're gonna check out a brand new 2.1 home theater system for your TV. Now this is from F&D. It's their brand new model called the T300X 2.1 home theater. So this 2.1 system comes with two satellite speakers, but the special thing about this is it's got a new convertible design. That means you get these two satellite speakers live. You can use them either as your left and right satellite tower speakers, or you can even join them together and use as a single powerful soundbar. And yes, along with that soundbar, you also get a dedicated powerful subwoofer in the box. So that is awesome, right? The total output of this whole system is around 70 watts RMS, and along with that it's got some other cool features like it supports Bluetooth, has a smart multicolor LED panel on the front, and also comes with some other features which we'll talk in the video. So in this video what we'll be doing is we'll be unboxing this brand new T300X 2.1 system, and I'll give my full review on this product. So let's get started. So the F&D's new T300X 2.1 home theater system comes in this sort of box packing. You've got the F&D branding, the model of this 2.1 system, and a picture of the product on the front. Now this is a wired plus wireless model, guys. It supports Bluetooth 4.0, so you can even play music on it wirelessly. So these two are the satellite speakers, and at the center you've got a powerful subwoofer that comes with an 8-inch driver. Over here we've got some of its features. As I've told you just now, it supports wireless music streaming, smart multicolor DJ LED lighting, and has a wide variety of connectivity options, which I'll show you later in the video. So those were some of its highlights. Now let's see what else is written on the box packing. Going to the side, you've got some more features. This 2.1 system even has built-in FM radio and comes with a remote control. That's it, those are all of its features. And at the backside, you've just got a picture of the product. So the special thing about this 2.1 system is it's got a new convertible design. That means you can use the two satellite speakers individually, or you can even join them together to form a single powerful soundbar. That is awesome, right? So over here you've got the pricing details. Let me show you. The price on the box says 9,990 rupees, but it costs only around 6,200 rupees in the offline local market. So that was our overview on the box packing. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut the seal on the box. I want to thank F&D for sending me this product for review. Alright, here we go. So on opening the box, we've got a lot of stuff at the top. You've got a packet of accessories which includes all the cables and stuff, and also the remote control. I'll show you that later. And here are both the satellite tower speakers. They come nicely packed in this cover. Let me just remove the cover and show you. So this is how the T300X satellite speakers look like. Wow, they're quite big in size, and also love this textured matte finish on the body. Each of these satellite speakers have two drivers on them, and there's also a tuned bass reflex port on the bottom. So that's it, and at the backside you even have a wall mounting option. Talking about the connectivity, it's got a RCA cable at the back. You just need to connect it to the subwoofer to get started. So that was our quick look at the satellite speaker. Now let me also take the other stuff out. So here's the second satellite tower speaker. Both of them are very identical and can be joined together to form a single soundbar. Along with that, you've got two base plates for the satellite speakers. So in case if you want to use them separately instead as a soundbar, you can easily fix these on the bottom so that they can stand on their own individually. The quality is very nice, they're made of plastic and has rubber foot pads to offer good grip wherever you place it. So those were all the accessories we got in the box. Now let's check out the subwoofer. So here it is, guys, the T300X mighty subwoofer. Let me take it out of the box. Oh my god, this thing is so heavy, and also the subwoofer is quite big in size. Let me just remove this outer cover and show you. There you go. So this is how the F&D's T300X subwoofer looks like. Holy smokes, just look at that front panel. It's got a beautiful design, and this thing entirely glows in multicolor LED lights. There's a sticker at the top that says it supports Bluetooth and also highlights some other features. Going to the left side, there's a tuned bass reflex port and some other info regarding the product. The subwoofer's enclosure is entirely made of high density wood, and the build quality looks top notch from my first impressions. You've got the control panel at the top, an LED display, and has the F&D branding on the bottom. So that was our quick look at the T300X 2.1 system. Now let me just give you guys a closer look and talk in detail about the satellite speakers and the subwoofer. So this is how the T300X satellite tower speakers look like. They've got a slim design and have a nice textured matte black finish. You've got the F&D branding at the top. Each of these satellite speakers have two 2-inch full-range drivers and also has a tuned bass reflex port at the bottom. The build quality is pretty good. It's entirely made of high-quality plastic and even has wall mounting holes at the back. Going to the bottom side, you've got a fixing mechanism. This is where you need to fix the base plate. This base plate has a wide area, it's made of plastic, has a glossy finish, and has rubber foot pads on the bottom to offer good grip wherever you place it. Fixing these plates to the speaker is very simple, guys. You just need to align them properly and rotate in anti-clockwise direction to lock it. There you go. Now your satellite tower speakers are all ready to be used. The F&D's T300X 2.1 home theater system comes with two satellite tower speakers and a powerful subwoofer. Each of these satellite speakers have two 2-inch full-range drivers and a bass reflex port, and each of them can produce a max output of 17.5 watts. So both the tower speakers produce a combined output of 35 watts. Talking about the subwoofer, the T300X subwoofer has an 8-inch driver that can produce a max output of 35 watts. So the total combined output of this 2.1 home theater system is 70 watts RMS. Now let me just give you a closer look at the subwoofer and talk about its design and all of its features. The T300X subwoofer enclosure is entirely made of high density wood and the build quality of the product is very nice. You've got the control panel at the top, a status LED display, and you see this pattern over here? It's a multicolor LED panel that glows in RGB with different lighting effects. And below that we've got the F&D branding. I really like this polygonal design on the front panel. It looks very beautiful and has a nice stylish texture. Now let me give you all a closer look at the control panel and show you all the available buttons. You've got a power button, input source select, Bluetooth mode, music play pause, LED lighting effects, and finally volume down and volume up buttons. So those were all the available buttons on it. And below that you've got a status LED display which shows you all the info like the current mode, volume, and much more. Going to the side of the subwoofer, there's a USB port so you can directly plug and play music from a pen drive, has some info regarding the product, and there's a tuned bass reflex port over here. That's it, there's nothing on the other side. And going to the back, this is how it looks like. You've got a lot of connectivity ports and controls over here. Let me show you. This 2.1 system offers you EQ adjustments as well. There's a knob to adjust the bass as well as the treble. And beside that, you got two more knobs for the microphone level and echo. Yes, this 2.1 system also supports microphones. You can connect up to two mics in these two ports and fully control the mic volume as well as the echo. On the right, you've got the left and right audio in ports and audio out ports below that. This is a main power switch, and coming to the cables, I've told you right, it also has built-in FM radio. This is the FM antenna. And below that, you've got the mains card. So that was our complete look at all the controls and the connectivity ports. And in case if you're wondering where the subwoofer is, well, it's present on the bottom side. It's got a huge 8-inch driver with a frequency response range from 30 Hz to 104 Hz and can produce a max output of 35 watts. Now let me tell you about the special convertible design of this 2.1 system. The T300X satellite speakers can be used individually as left and right tower speakers, or you can even join them together to form a single 35 watt soundbar. It's very easy to do that. You just need to remove these base plates on both of them, align them together and rotate to lock the mechanism. That's it guys, now you have a 4-driver 35 watt powerful soundbar in your hand. Very cool, right? So what I'll do is I'll just connect them with the subwoofer, power it on, play some music and show you how the audio on it sounds like. Alright guys, I'm back. I powered on the T300X and holy moly, look at that beautiful LED lighting. Looks awesome, right? Now let me just play some song and show you the sound quality. The audio quality was amazing for the price. Like seriously, I was very impressed by this 2.1 system. Not only the sound guys, I also really love that multicolor LED lighting on the front. It automatically keeps changing and syncs with the rhythm of the music. Plus you've got a lot of different lighting effects which you can change using a button on the control panel. Just check out the lighting effects. The LED panel is bright, colorful and gives life to the system. Talking about the sound, the mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, all thanks to that high density wooden enclosure. And also I could clearly hear the dialogues. The high frequency response was also very nice. It was producing silky smooth treble without any harshness. And coming to the bass, The bass was very good on this system. It was punchy and was producing thumping bass. If you're a bass lover, you're definitely going to be satisfied with this system. On the overall, for the price of around 6,500 rupees, this is one of the best sounding 2.1 home theater system I've used. The TRHD was also very less, up to 80% volume level, beyond which you could feel slight distortion in the audio. And the audio output was also very loud. It was definitely producing 70 watts of output. As I've told you earlier, you can not only control the volume, but you can even adjust the level of bass and treble as per your requirement. You can completely cut down the bass or even increase it all the way up to max. The same thing can be done with treble as well. Just check out this clip. So that was my video on F&D's brand new T300X 2.1 home theater system. They're very good for the price. The build quality is top notch, love the multicolor LED lighting, also has Bluetooth support and offers excellent audio quality in that budget category. The only thing I felt was the company should have provided optical in support and also a 3.5mm audio in port. That's it, rest everything else was great. The F&D's T300X 2.1 system is available both online and offline. It costs around 7 to 7,500 rupees on Flipkart, but I would suggest you to buy it from offline market as it's available for only around 6,200 rupees. Well, that was it for today. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.